Do you really want it? Are you sure you want 800 subscribers? Okay, if that's something you actually want, now listen to me. Hi everyone, my name is Enquiries. You're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how I got to 800 subscribers by God's grace in 3 days. If this is something that you're interested in, please stick around and try to watch till the end, because I'm going to be giving you a lot on the juice and the sauce. Without much ado, let's get right into the video.
And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that...
The first thing I would like you to understand is this: getting to up to 100 subscribers is not hard. If you've not gotten up to 100 subscribers, I feel like it is you need to talk to yourself and just say, do you really want it? Are you sure you want 800 subscribers? Okay, if that's something you actually want, now listen to me. But you need to understand something. It's okay to be shy. Your YouTube channel is relatively new, and maybe you're feeling self-conscious, and you don't want too much people to know that you have a YouTube channel. I know, I'm saying this because I know, and that was me when I first started my YouTube channel. When I started my YouTube channel initially, the first time I sent a video out, maybe I got 3 subscribers or so, my family, maybe 5. I think there were 5 or 9 people. I started in 2020 actually. So I got 9 subscribers. So after I got 9 subscribers, I posted another video again, and then all in all, at the end of last year, up to the beginning of this year, maybe I had about 19 subscribers. I had 19 subscribers at the beginning of this year, up till March. That was how much I grew in 2 years, in almost 2 years. So this year, around in June, I made the decision to actually start to go back to my YouTube channel and start doing the work. I did not know how this was going to happen, but I knew I wanted to make 100 subscribers at the end of July. And I made it happen. How? Okay, after when I started my YouTube channel, between June and the end of July, I probably posted around I had about 10 videos, or 9, I'll call it 9, and 1 YouTube Shorts. 9 videos and 1 YouTube Shorts on my YouTube channel. But it was not still great. Maybe after then I had 38 subscribers. So it was nearing the end of July. And we're yeah, no, we're going to make this happen intentionally. And July is not going to end without reaching that 100 mark. As at the end of July, I had about 38 subscribers, which means my subscriber population had doubled at that point in time. So I started praying. Yeah, actually, whenever I do not know what to do, I tend to pray. I started praying, oh God, please, I need subscribers to grow. I need this channel to grow. Please help me. Okay, so I started talking to someone about it and all, and it felt maybe God was answering my prayers, because the person was how many people know you have a channel on your social media? How many people know you have a YouTube channel at your workplace? You need to tell each of them to subscribe. Tell them about it, tell them what you're about, and ask them to subscribe. So the first thing I did, that was the first thing I was comfortable doing, was this. I went to each person that I was acquainted with, at least in my place of work. I told them about the channel. Okay, please, I just started my YouTube channel, and please, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and everything. Of course, people will have you, your channel is so small, you're not even grown. People will have you it's people to take criticism and treat it as, I don't really care what you have to say, but so long as you subscribe. And then you make sure they subscribe in your presence. Please, I want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Maybe don't give you excuses. You can be yeah, don't worry, I'll help you to do it. I'll help you do it myself. I can do it myself. It's not taking a long time. It's just less than 10 minutes to subscribe already. You have Gmail now. You ask everybody in your workplace. I don't mean everybody in your office. I mean everybody in your workplace to subscribe. After I did that, maybe my subscriber level grew up to 69. So I was 69, also reach 70 and all, and then it's just 1 person. So I just need only 1 person to subscribe. So what I did was this: I went to my WhatsApp. I put on my WhatsApp status that, hello everyone, because I just need 1 person to subscribe to my YouTube channel to reach 70 subscribers. And one of my friends just messaged me, I just subscribed with my second account. That makes 70. I was it's that easy. No problem, no big deal. Alright, no problem. Let's do this then. I created a broadcast list on my WhatsApp where I included all the people's names who I was comfortable with, that they should see that I had a WhatsApp, that I had a YouTube channel. Or people that I knew they were most likely to subscribe to my YouTube channel, or at least people I felt I was cool with. Because you'll be having some kind of people on your WhatsApp that maybe you don't really want them to know what's going on in your life. If they were to find out by themselves, that's a different thing entirely. But if you were to be the ones like tell them, you're like, I don't know, that kind of thing. So I just created a broadcast list. If you do not know how to create a broadcast list on your WhatsApp, let me know, so I'll make a video about it. I don't really mind. I created a broadcast list, as I was saying, and then I sent a message to everyone on the list, and I was like, good afternoon. So it's kind of like a personalized message. So it's like, good afternoon, please, I'm trying to make 100 subscribers on YouTube. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. And then I put the link to the subscribe button. In minutes, before I knew what was happening, people just started subscribing. Like, before I knew what was happening, I didn't know that day. I was there for nights. I was like, hey, come on, what's going on, and everything. I didn't know what was, so I messaged her. I was like, hey, come on, babes, I'm just going to my channel. Like, this application is not online. So she subscribed, and that was how I just reached 800 subscribers. After that, I still kept upgrading because other people that were seeing it late were subscribing also. Before you knew what was happening, I already hit like 120 subscribers. I was like, what the heck? Oh my goodness, and everything. And then it was really, really nice. I'm really happy I did that because I did not really know how much people were rooting for me or how much people actually believed in me more than I believed myself. Because they share maybe I'll leave some of the chats, like I'll frame some of those chats and put them like in the video. And then I was hearing, yes, I subscribed already. Like, since how can you be asking me? Like, I was just like, oh my god, are you kidding? It made me so happy that people were watching, and someone was even like, I subscribed since you posted your how I got pickpocketed in battle video. I'll have the link to the video in this right here. Y'all can get to watch it. And it was like just so nice because I did not even really think people were watching or people were following up to that extent. And like the reception I was just getting was like really, really, the feedback I was getting about my videos and things were like really, really nice. And I am grateful for that actually. I hope you benefited from this video so often. You've gotten to pick a few lessons from the video. If that's the case, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to join this channel, that kind of thing. So to make a recap, I would say if you are looking to grow your channel in 3 days, number 1, you have to be bold. Number 2, you have to be assertive. Like, meet people face to face, as many people as you can ask, like one-on-one. Ask them, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, please, I make so type of videos and I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please ask them to subscribe nicely. A lot of people will, because it is free and it's not going to be like it's not really that such a big deal and it's not really that hard, that kind of thing. So a lot of people should want to help you and should want to support you. So you have to as many people as you can to subscribe. You subscribe, go on your WhatsApp, use your WhatsApp, ask people to subscribe one-on-one. Don't use WhatsApp sellers, no. Ask people to subscribe one-on-one, like send an individual message to each person on your contact list, asking them to subscribe to your YouTube channel, and then you put the link to your YouTube channel in the video, in the message that you sent them. Of course, a lot of people that you would ever think, that you would even ever begin to imagine would subscribe to your YouTube channel. Like, in no time, if you do this, if you make these 2 steps in a day, even if you were on 0, you would definitely make up to 100 subscribers in a day, in just 1 day. And also apart from that one, and it will help if you kind of like could set milestones for yourself. Okay, in the next 10 minutes, I need like 5 people to subscribe to my channel. So you're always conscious and on the lookout for new people to tell about your channel and to ask them to subscribe. Before you know what's happening, you've gotten it already. I'm telling you, everybody uses Google, everybody uses YouTube also. So before you know what's happening, you will get those subscribers. They're not hard to get. You just have to be able to speak up for yourself, promote yourself, and find them. I hope this video has been of help to you and it has made some sort of reasonable sense to you. And if that's the case, please like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really, really appreciate that. Thank you very much for subscribing and for liking this video. I appreciate your presence and for the fact that you've watched up to this extent. I will be seeing you in the next video. Until next time, take care.